So, Jay, what happened to the 4th of July slime? Well, as you likely know, everyone moved away. But somebody to the rescue. Oh wait, you can't see him. It's Tallboy! Tallboy is here visiting, yep. And he has been bestowed the honors of sliming me. So we have to go and make the slimin'. It's a yearly tradition now, so we have all the provisions. So we're gonna get right into this and go from there. Okay, we got a gallon of water in each pot, and now we have to light them up. So we'll do that. And there we are. So we got those on the burl. Don't watch them, because otherwise they never will. And when they're ready, we will go ahead and put in the ingredients. While we're waiting, look what Tallboy found where he is. The blue drink. I had him pick me up 3 bottles, and now I have blue drink like forever. I love that kind. This shit will get you fucked up in a hurry, and then it won't leave. Okay, we have the water boiled enough, so we'll go ahead and start the sliming. So that's a gallon of water in a 15.3 ounce box, and another 15.3. I'll do these one at a time, but I'll just show you the one, and you'll see that very quickly this is going to get real thick as soon as you get all of the potat in there. It just soaks up the water immediately, and this is nowhere close. So I'm going to do the other pots, and then we'll start adding water until get it to the right consistency. Here's the consistency that we have now, and nope, yeah, so we gotta add more water. Probably gonna end up doing the whole thing, but I'll start mixing that in first, and we'll see what we get. There, now we're starting to turn into something.
Wallpaper first.
Yeah, we need it thinner than that.
Yeah.
It sort of soaks it up, and then doesn't let the rest of the potat get it. Does the whole house smell like potat?
Yep, it's getting there.
Getting there, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely gonna need the rest of that water. Pour that right in the void. Can't take the water out once you put it in, so you got to be careful not to overdo it. So this was 3 pitchers full. Each one is 2 quarts, so that's 6 quarts, or a gallon and a half. And we may need a little bit more, but I'm going to stir this up, and then we're going to do the same with these, and then come back and find out how much more water we need. Okay, we have slimin'. We're getting there. You can see, not quite there. That's a bit thick yet. That's a bit thick. So it's just starting to fall off the spoon, but too much of it is sticking to the spoon, and there's probably dried potat in there. So we need to add some more water. And now it's sort of like discretion time. I have another 2 quarts of water, or 8 cups. That's maybe a cup and a half or 2. And I'll stir that in, but we're getting close. So now is the critical time, because if you make this too thick, you can't undo it.
You make it too thin.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yes,
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If you make it too thin, Ren, the soup's too thin. Sorry, can't find a clip of that. Yeah. And Susan would get her panties in a bunch if I did. So we wouldn't want that now.
Demonetized.
No. Demonetized, yeah.
Ask
just
me
had
about demonetized.
Yeah, really. Poor tall boy, you know.
I've been demonetized for about 3 months.
Even though he has enough subs in that, they said your content has, you know,
Too much reused content.
too much
whatever
reused
that
content.
is. That's why all the TV commercials disappeared on my channel, because I thought that was what they were talking about. That's
Right,
what
but
my
it's
channel
still-
started with.
it's
Now I think it's the copyrighted music intros on all my videos that they're getting their panties in a bunch about.
That could be. But I remember that even when XGO81X, when he finally just crossed over that 1,000 mark, it still took something like 6 months or something for them to monetize his channel.
Yeah, mine was
And he
the
kept
same way initially.
Yeah, he kept firing off emails, so you may be in for it for a bit.
Yeah, but the last few times though, because I've reapplied for monetization twice, and it's always been within a week I get a reply back that nope, sorry, you still don't qualify. And so, you know, if you may start seeing on my channel that anybody who's subscribed to me, that I'm actually deleting the music intros off the beginning with the titles. I was hoping to be able to use just the YouTube editor, that it would maybe be able to just delete some audio without deleting the video. But,
It's supposed to be able to, or I read that feature is coming soon.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah,
Probably
but
right after I get done cutting all the beginnings
Oh, of
off of
course.
all my
And
videos.
when they do actually make that live, they'll break 6 other things in the process.
Yeah. So yeah, a bunch of my videos, I've started working on it now. I'm just cutting the beginnings off, and then I'm going to reapply. They said I can sometime in the beginning of August, and we'll see.
Yep.
Maybe you'll see commercials back at the beginnings of my videos again. Maybe you won't.
Yep.
It's kind of one of the reasons why I haven't been overly prolific with videos recently, is because I'm not getting anything for them. Not that that's the ultimate goal, but it's nice to have the videos pay for themselves.
Yes, indeed. This video cost me, what, about $1.50 a box? So this is like $9, and then the food coloring and that, so this is like, you know, it ends up being like 10, 12, 15 bucks for the slime by the time you're all done. And of course pie has to go with that. But look, it's plopping off the spoon now, so we're like really close. So I'm actually going to leave this one sit, and I'm gonna, this is how much water I used. I think that's about 2 cups worth or so, roughly, you know, so that's all the more water it took. And now I'm going to do the rest of the pots over there, and hopefully very soon it'll be time to put in the food coloring so we can get the red, white, and blue. Alrighty, we are just about there. Plops right off the spoon. Maybe just a tad thick, but I'm like scared to add some more water because I don't want to fuck it up. So hopefully that's enough to get around the YouTube robots. But what we can do now is see how hot it is. Oh, it's just like the right temperature. It's very pleasant because it cools from the top down.
Yeah.
Because, see, what happens is when you stir this, because of how thick it still is, even in this state, it like farts at you. You get like blasts of warm air come out, you know. So you gotta, that's the problem, is that it's gotta cool all the way down, or somebody will get burned very easily. But I don't know, I'm a little like, it needs a little more, maybe not. This one here looks good though. This is like great. That is perfect.
Yeah.
That's working well. And that's maybe just a tad hot, but not too bad. And back here, get the spoon out of there. This one is way hot. Holy! That's got to wait a bit. Yeah. And this one is just about there. So I think these two just need a tad more water. So I'm just going to really just put like almost tablespoons at a time, and then we can add the colorant. Just right there, right where it goes in, and the spoon just falls a little bit. That's about right. And if we scoop some up, it goes. And if you turn the pot, it starts moving. So we're all good. And this should be just at the right consistency. And after you stir it, it gets also a little bit thinner, so that's good. And now it's time for the food coloring. I have used up practically all of my food coloring from over the years, and I found this in the back of the cabinet. This is the only red I have. Oddly enough, I have plenty of green, plenty of blue, and plenty of yellow. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're going to take 20 more, if I recall, because this gets into like strawberry shortcake, and we need Hello Kitty. So, so we have to fold in the patat and get all of this mixed in, which is no easy task, because it's thicker than it looks. And then you get all the stripies in that. And you want all of this homogenized, because otherwise it don't look right.
Mm-hmm.
And probably with all these streaks in that, that shit would stain real good.
Oh, yeah.
So with it all Kids Incorporated,
Yeah, right now you look like that vanilla ice cream with the strawberry
yeah,
ribbons in it.
yep, yeah, see we're getting there, but there's still places where, you know, so I got some stirring to do. We'll come back in a little bit, and then we'll do the blue. Well, there's 20, and then we'll do 20 more. And now we'll stir that in. And do the blue. And now we'll stir that in. You want to like fold it first and make sure it gets all over the spoon. Doesn't that look awesome right there? Just the colors, the shades of blue has that. I really like that color.
Yeah.
But you can't leave it like that.
No.
So gotta stir this in. This one seems easier to stir than the red.
So Uncle Jay,
Yeah,
how much white food coloring do you have to put in to make white?
40 drops.
40 drops of
40
white food
drops
coloring.
of white, yeah.
Yep, that makes the white.
Yeah. It's like, Alexa, what color was George Washington's white horse?
Historians agree the white horse was white. By the way, I'm not sure we've met. You can introduce yourself to start personalizing your Alexa experience. Would you like to try it?
Don't you fucking know who I am, you bitch?
I'm not sure who's speaking, but your account.
Well, go away.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Hey, Siri. Oh, now you don't
That's
listen.
not a name I can respond to.
Oh, no shit! Well, that's a damn good thing. Alrighty.
She shut you right off after that.
Yeah.
You seen the videos online where they've got the Google Assistant and
And yeah, and they all
they're
talk to each other. It's
arguing back and
awesome.
forth.
I love that. That's great. Sometimes I'll just be watching TV and she'll like pick up on something on TV when they mention her name.
Yeah.
That's why whenever I'm just talking to anybody about it and we're in the kitchen or within microphone shot instead of earshot, you know,
Yeah.
of it, I just say the cylinder.
Yeah.
I just call it the cylinder.
Yeah.
The cylinder. You know, the blue don't look bad.
No.
That actually is like looking really good, but it's not quite like we're still in the pastel range.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna just do it like I always do it. We're gonna do it good, do it, do it good. Oh, Susan, demonetized. Alrighty.
Sucks to be you. It's her attitude. Nope.
It does suck to be me. How do you think I make everything suck?
Yeah.
Now that's funny. Okay, let me get this all amalgamated and homogenized and other vitamin D words, and then we'll come back. Okay, we have some canola oil from Aldi.
Where else?
Yeah, I go there all the time.
All the time.
I get all the stuff they have. So, for some reason, it's just in the recipe to just put a little gurgle of that, like that, and then mix that in. And for some reason, it just works. Like, I don't know why we did it in the first place, but we did, and you can see how it gives it like a nice Charlie sheen.
Mm-hmm. Winning.
So it just sort of adds a little something to it. So anyway, let me get this mixed in. I think that's good enough for proof of video, and I think this is kind of dragged on long enough. So let me show you this here. There is the blue slime. Perfect. It came out real nice. I'm happy with that. It's at the right temperature, so we're like ready to go right. Oh yeah, sorry. Ready to go right now, and all that. So anyway, that is going to do it. There will be sliming in the future, coming very soon. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.